Good morning students, myself Kavita teacher. Today we are going to know regarding distribution of factors of production. This is the last topic of chapter 15, economic development. Already we have learned socialist system, market system and mixed economy. This topic was left and this is the last topic of this chapter. So in distribution of factors of production, first of all you are going to learn what is unlimited wants. Wants means needs. Wants means need. We have unlimited wants. Like human wants are uncountable and unlimited. How unlimited? Because if we have a want of purchasing TV, next our want is that we want a house. Next our wants like that our wants go on increasing. We are never satisfied. So so many wants originate from one want. If your one want is fulfilled, that is you have purchased a house. Now your next want will be that you want all the things which are required in the house. So that is the other want. So this can be known that many wants originate from one want. Next one, many requirements are to be fulfilled again and again, while many wants arise because of development of science and technology. So again and again, which wants have to be fulfilled? That is food. It is not enough that once we have taken the food, it's completed. We have to fulfill this want of food again and again. Another thing is because of science or technology also many wants are originated. For example, if you have a mobile phone, it has to be recharged regularly. So that is another want. So why wants are unlimited? Because many wants have to be fulfilled again and again. Some wants are originated because of science and technology. Some wants are originated from one want. So because of these reasons, the wants are unlimited. And in order to fulfill the want, one has to make selection among the wants. Because wants are unlimited, we cannot fulfill all the wants. So we have to select which want has to be fulfilled first. So that is known as important order in the terms of necessity. We have so many wants. What is our basic want? Basic want is food, clothing and shelter. Then next you can go for the luxurious goods, and at last you can go for the things which are to be taken by very rich people. So now if so many wants are there, we have to keep a order. Which want is very much necessary? So that is food, clothing, shelter. So first we have to fulfill that want. Next, if we have money, then we have to go for next want. Next. So wants have to be arranged in the order of necessity. Why? What is the reason behind? Because resources are very limited. Resources here means money. Money is limited. If money is unlimited, we can fulfill all the wants, but money is not unlimited. That's why we have to make a selection among the wants. Third, we are going to see limited resources. Now only we discuss. Here in this, you have to know only two things, that how are the wants? Wants are unlimited, and how are the resources? Resources are limited. That's the problem came. If wants are unlimited and resources are also unlimited, then there would be not any problem. But because of limited resources only, we have to make a proper choice. See, factor of production, whether it is a natural, that is a land, yeah, man-made, that is a capital. Everything is limited only. All these tools are limited. That's why we have to utilize it judicially. Judicially means carefully. Distributions of tools have to be done by keeping selected wants in center. We have to distribute. Now, very good example, if we see, if you have 1,000 rupees and in your mind you have so many wants, but 1,000 rupees cannot fulfill all your wants. So what you should do? You should select that want which will satisfy you 100%, and you can give that 1,000 rupees. Alternative use of resources. Resources are having two features. One, the resources in economic means you can take money also, you can take natural wealth also. So here how are the resources? Resources are limited. This is one feature. Another feature is the resources is having an alternative use. Another feature is the resources is having an alternative use. How alternative use? Means land is there. See here the example is given. land is there, you can sow, means grow wheat, bajra, maize, groundnut. You are having so many choices. This means land as a resource, it has so many alternative uses. But you cannot take everything. You have to grow only one. You have to grow that thing which will satisfy you 100%. So wants are having, resources are having multiple use. Multiple use means so many uses the resources have, but all the uses cannot be fulfilled. You have a choice. Alternative choices are there and you have to select one from that alternative. Resources to satisfy demand are limited. Not only this, resources are also having alternative uses. When any production is utilized in more than one way, that tool has a multiple uses. Now, if what is multiple uses of want means, if any resource is there and if it is used more than one way, this means it is known as multiple uses. Along with multiple uses, what is another feature? It is having alternative use. You cannot use in all the way. Another thing is, if a land is there, you can construct hospital, you can construct building, you can construct temple, you can construct school. This means this resources is having a multiple uses, but you cannot construct all the thing. That means you are having alternative, you are having option, you have to select which is the best among them. That is, so it may be said that the usage is alternate. So you should keep in mind, resources are limited, wants are unlimited. Resources have multiple use, but resources also have alternative use. See the questions. Wants are unlimited, so you have to answer that one, which is in the first slide. Explain how resources have alternate use. Now only we have discussed limited. Define limited resources. Human wants are dash, they are unlimited, and resources are limited. Why one has to make selection among wants? Because wants are unlimited, but resources to satisfy that wants are limited. So we have to make selection among them.